we'll be making use of here is tomato, and in my hand I have a fresh tomato. Tomato here contains an agent which is known as lycopene, which is a whitening agent, which is going to help whiten the teeth. It is going to help get rid of yellowness on the teeth and turn it to a whiter teeth. So that's why we'll be using tomato for this. The next thing we'll be making use of here is baking soda. So baking soda is a brightening agent, a lightening agent. It helps to lighten up dark areas either on the skin or on the teeth, and baking soda has been used for a very long time now in whitening the teeth. So that is why we are going to be making use of baking soda in this. The next thing we'll be using here is, of course, our Colgate toothpaste to help brighten up and lighten the skin. This is going to help foam as well, as we'll be using this to whiten the teeth. To prepare this, I'm going to get a bowl, a small bowl, and I'm going to take 1 teaspoon of baking soda into the bowl, and then I'm going to add my Colgate toothpaste to this. And I'm putting just 1 pump, that is about 1 teaspoon of toothpaste to that, and then I'm going to stir this together. So the baking soda is now well mixed. So you can see what we have here. It is not watery, it is not dry, it is just nice and wet. So this is what we have here, just nice and wet. So the next thing I'm going to do is get my fresh tomato and then chop it into 2, just like this. You can see the tomato juice coming out already. So I'm just going to pour in the juice into the baking soda and toothpaste mixture, just like this, and then I'm going to go ahead and mix it properly. So this is what we now have, and it is time to apply. So let me go ahead and show you how to use this. So this is the tomato and the mixture that I prepared. You can see this clearly, and yeah, the tomato with the lycopene in it, yeah, it's still very juicy. So to use this, I'm going to dip the tomato in the baking soda mixture, just like this, and I'm going to go ahead and scrub it on my teeth. Take more of it and scrub. Spit and take more. So I'm going to make sure I finish all what I have here. I know it's messy right now. That is what you need in order to whiten your teeth. Pour. And then we scrub again. So you can see what is remaining here. I'm still going to go ahead and scrub some more. So it's now time to rinse. Pour. Pour. Yeah, and there you have it. My mouth is now fresher than before. So we'll go ahead and continue using this until you completely whiten your teeth and get the shade that you want. Don't forget you have to maintain your result. So don't just do it one day and then you're not doing it again because your teeth become brighter and shiny. No. You have to go ahead and continue using this twice in a week is okay, so that you can maintain your results, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you. So see you